Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to jailbreak. You need to download AppCake on the website. The first time you need to go to Safari and then go to iPhoneCake.com and then click install AppCake. Install. And then you go to setting general, and then go to setting and then go to general, profile and device management, khai lao group, and click trust and then go to AppCake, allow, no send, verify, then allow, close. Now you go setting general, profile and device management, and click AppCake verification, AppCake verification, and click install. Type your phone passcode and click install. Click yes. Okay, now you go to Safari and go to uncover.dev. Click download version 5.3.1. Okay, wait a moment. Now you click more and copy to AppCake. Click yes, and now you click UnCover, click install. Click install. Okay, now go to setting general, profile and device management. Okay, now you click UnCover, click Jailbreak. Now you cannot jailbreak Okay, now you should to turn off your phone and restart. Now you re-enter UnCover, re-enter to UnCover and wait 50 seconds. Now jailbreak successful. Jailbreak complete. Okay. Auto restart your phone. Reboot. Boom. Now you get side here. Click on side here. Okay, it worked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more video. Thank you.